Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can simply find CapCut templates on TikTok if you can't find it on the CapCut app itself. So select the search bar here and just search the basically the CapCut template you want. For instance, like friendship CapCut templates. You're going to search it and you're going to open up like some videos here, and as you can see there's a CapCut try this template button, so we're just going to do that. I'm just going to select try this template, and you're going to select use this template here, and then it's going to open up CapCut. Hold on, let me just try that again. Use template in CapCut, and it's going to open up the template. There you go. Then you're going to select use template, and then you're going to select videos. It needs or photos. It needs 13 clips for this one, so I'm just going to search and select the photos. Then you're going to select preview, and that's basically it. Here you can also adjust the photos as well. And then once you're done, you're going to select the export button. If you don't want the watermark, select the save to device, save and share to TikTok. But if you want the watermark and you want to save it to your gallery, save to device with CapCut watermark. So yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.